Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So there is nothing more fluctuation than following with directions only to realize you are heading in the completely wrong direction. Or even worse, driving the wrong way down a one-way street. This can happen for a few reasons. Your GPS signal might be off, or the map data might have an error, or even the route calculation might have glitched. So in today's small tutorial, we want to go through how to actually fix Waze sending you the wrong way. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, check your GPS signal. If Waze thinks you are on a parallel road or facing the wrong direction, it's usually a GPS issue. Place your phone with a clear view of the sky, ideally on your windshield or dashboard, not in the center console or even your pocket. You can also go and look for the Waze search bar to see your raw GPS position versus where Waze thinks you really are. Then check your route settings. If you have such filters like avoid highways or avoid trolls, you can basically go through this main menu. I will show you right now. Okay, I'm gonna go through this all the way to settings. Go to the map display, look for all of this. Then go for the basically navigation and make sure everything here is looking alright. So that's here the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.